Yo, what is up YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get right now the only working Steal A Brainrot script that is going to give you insane advantages inside of the game. As you can see, I just enabled ESP and you have bunch of different things that you can get, and in this video I'm about to show you how you can get it. So without further ado, before we move on to the process, I'm giving away every single day free Robux, so make sure that you spam down below your Roblox username and you may be picked to get some free Robux. Now grab your phone, it doesn't matter which one you have, it works perfectly for both Android and iOS devices, and search for the website called crackblocks.com. On this page, scroll down until you see the scripts, click on the browse scripts and you'll be redirected to this page. On this page, all you have to do is to choose Steal A Brainrot, and then you need to enter your Roblox ID. They explain you here how you can get your Roblox ID. So when you have yours, just write it down here. Click on search user ID. Okay, and then click install script and then click Forge Hub or Soluna. I will go with Soluna and click on continue. Okay. And now you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, it says API connected. Click on I'm not a robot. And then you will be redirected to this page. As you can see, a bunch of people getting scripts keys as we speak. So let me show you how you can get yours. And I highly suggest that you watch their video because they explained everything. So basically, all you have to do is to complete 2 tasks from this list and follow the description below the name of each task. For example, download this app and play 3 games for 5 minutes each, or download this app and play 3 games inside of it. You click on the app you would like to go with. You can get some different types depending on your country and your device. Don't worry. As you can see, all of those apps you install are free to use from official publishers. As we can see right here, we are waiting for it to load. As you can see, free app, free to use, and we only need to install and play 3 games inside of it. Now, when we finish one app, we can go with the second app. If you don't want to download apps, you can always go with a questionnaires. For example, this is a questionnaire. You click on the questionnaire and all you have to do is to enter your email. Make sure that you enter your valid information. Make sure that you confirm your email. Make sure that you enter your correct email, and make sure that you go until the end of this questionnaire and answer all the questions. Once you completed the questionnaire, you go back and choose another one. Same process. Just make sure that you enter your valid information, and once you've done with that, all you have to do is go back, refresh this page, and you will have the key generated. If your key is not working and when you open the Roblox you don't have Delta Executor preloaded, it means that you didn't follow some of the descriptions for the apps or for the questionnaires. So make sure that you go back and finish it until the end, because this is right now the only working Steal A Brainrot script out there. That's it, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Smash that like button if this worked out for you. Leave a comment with your Roblox username to get some free Robux. See ya.